Hi, Chris here from MoneyCoach, and today we're gonna check the real costs of your subscriptions. Now, if you're like me, you already pay for Netflix, Hulu, Disney+, Spotify or whatever. But do you have an idea how much money you have spent in total for those subscriptions? Most of us don't know that number. Well, you can check the fixed cost for the month. You don't know how much money you spend in total for a subscription. MoneyCoach has a cooler, simpler way that handles all of that for you. I am talking about the Subscription Insights report, where you can select the subscription you want to check, and you can see the total for this year, total last year, and the total lifetime value for that subscription. This will put things into perspective, and based on this, you might decide to continue with a subscription, maybe cancel it and save some money, or you can go in, check all the transactions that have been added and delete them, add it, do whatever you want. I hope you enjoyed this short and quick look at the Subscription Insights report. It's a really powerful tool that puts things into perspective and helps you make better financial decisions. Thanks for watching and consider subscribing to our channel. Thanks!